Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to log into LATOKEN wallet account. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for LATOKEN. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to the homepage of the website. Here, you just click on the sign up embed at top left corner. Now you get the option to either sign up using your email or phone number. I will select email, fill the field up, and then click on this continue button. After that, you will need to create a new password that is strong enough for the website to consider it as a password. Once done, click on the sign up button and your account will be created successfully. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.